Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to delete watch history in Facebook. So to do that, what you need to do is open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top. Tap that. Now here on this page, you scroll down to the setting and privacy, tap that, then tap on setting. In the setting and privacy, you scroll down and then you go to the your information. There you need to tap on activity log, tap that. In the activity log, you will have all these options available and you scroll down to the option logged action and other activity. You tap on the drop down menu which will give you the rest of the option in here, and from the option you need to click the videos you have watched. At the second, tap that. So here you will find all the videos that you have watched on your Facebook. There's the only one video that I have watched. Now for you to clear the watch history, you will have a option right over there on this page. You can see the option clear video watch history. All you have to do is just tap that. Only you can see your video watch history. If you want to clear it, you tap on clear. This will remove all the videos that you have watched on your Facebook from a long time period. It will take some time for this process to be completed. There you can see no video watch history left. This is a way how you can delete watch history in Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.